Maisy Learns to Swim by Lucy Cousins. Maisy is going swimming today. Time to get ready. Do you have everything you need, Maisy? Eddie and Tallulah are coming too. Eddie is already wearing his goggles. I'm an underwater diver, he says. Maisy and Tallulah get ready in the changing room. It's so busy. Nice swimsuit, Tallulah. The pool looks very big. Maisy dips her toes in first. Ooh, it's freezing. Eddie doesn't mind. Splash! Maisy and Tallulah get into the pool slowly. The water goes swish, swash, splish, splash. It feels nice. Their swim teacher is named Poppy. She's a really good swimmer. Let's warm up, Poppy says. Wiggle your toes and lift your arms in the air. Next, everyone holds onto their kickboards and kicks their feet. Hee hee! Yippee! Wow, it's so noisy. Now it's time to try floating. Maisy pushes her belly up to the ceiling and stretches her arms out like a starfish. Poppy shows everyone how to blow bubbles. Tallulah takes a deep breath, puts her nose in the water, and blows out as hard as she can. Blup, blup, blup. Maisy wants to try too. 1, 2, 3. Blup, blup, blup. Look at all the bubbles. Well done, everyone, says Poppy. That was a great lesson. Up the ladder we go. No splashing, Eddie. Maisy feels shivery out of the water, so she wraps herself up in a fluffy towel. Ah, that's better. She needs a nice warm shower. Do you like swimming, Maisy? asked Tallulah. I think it's much more fun than bath time. Me too, says Maisy. Floating is my favorite. Now it's time for a snack. When is our next lesson? Says Maisy. She can't wait to go swimming again. The end.